Fujifilm has just announced the XF10, a new small camera with a large sensor. It is a compact camera of the ultralight X series that has an APS-C CMOS sensor in its core. The pocket camera photographs 24.2 megapixel photos with a 3:2 aspect ratio, 4K video recording, 30-minute continuous recording and high-speed Full HD video. At the front of the camera there is a Fujinon 18.5mm f/2.8 fixed lens equivalent to a 28mm lens in terms of 35mm. A digital teleconverter feature allows you to capture photos with equivalent focal lengths of 35mm and 50mm as well. No, the camera does not have a 125x zoom lens, but the fixed lens allows the camera to weigh only 280 g 9.9 ounces. The back of the XF10 features a 3-inch touchscreen LCD screen and 1.04 million points with a simple operation, perfect for those who enjoy taking photos with smartphones but want to have the best image quality that comes from using a more sensor big. The Fujifilm XF10 is the first camera in the X series with square mode, which allows you to take pictures with 1:1 aspect ratio with just a touch of touch screen. Captured photos can also be easily transferred to a smartphone via Bluetooth, convenient for those who wish to post the square photos on Instagram.